Hello and welcome to Crosdale's Tips and Tutorials in Business Central. Today we're going to have a look at extension management, how to upload an extension, how to manage version control, and how to uninstall and delete an extension. First of all, go to the search bar, type extension, and you'll see extension management. Here we'll show you a list of all of the extensions that you have installed. You'll notice if you look at one of these, you can see a brief description, a name, version, publisher, app ID, published as. We are going to deploy a extension. Here's one I made earlier. I've already deployed this, but I'm going to deploy it again to show you. I'm going to press F5. This is going to deploy. Going to come back here, refresh my page. Search for my tutorial. And here you can see tutorial project, version 1, publisher Crosdale, published as dev. If we come back to the project, you can see tutorial project, Crosdale, version 1. Let's say we would like to make a change to this. Instead of hello world, I'm going to make this say hello Crosdale when we load the customer list. What I need to do now is I need to increment the version. Let's just pretend this was a bug fix. I'm going to press F5. Now I'm getting hello Crosdale. If I come back to my extensions, you'll now see it shows version 1.0.0.1. And my extension is installed. If I'd like to uninstall it, I can go into here. I can choose to delete extension data. That will delete any tables and data that I've installed. Click uninstall. Click yes. And you'll see the extension is now uninstalled. If we'd like to completely remove it from the system, we can click here and we can click unpublish. And now it's gone. One last thing, when deploying to production environments, that's ones that aren't staging environments or local development environments, you must deploy this app file. The app file contains all of the pages, all of the tables that are inside your code base. So to do that, you come here, you come back to extension management, you click upload extension, you select an app file. I'm not going to do this, it doesn't work in development, will only work in production. You can choose what to deploy to. The current version is normally what I've used. And you can choose the schema sync mode. There's a bit of information on this. The difference is more or less if there's an incompatible schema, it won't apply the change. Force sync will overwrite the current database schema and potentially could lead to data loss. If you definitely know what you're doing, say you changed a type in a table, this will be fine. Accept the disclaimer and the deploy button. Once that's running, you can come back here to manage deployment status, and you'll see your deployment status here. Again, you can't see it here because I'm trying to deploy locally, and I do that through the F5 button. One last time, going to stop this. Press F5. Deploy my extension. Hello Crosdale. Come back here. Search for my extension. And here it is. Thanks for watching.